do a glamorous makeup with me for winter of 2026. As I can tell that I have 3 days left of winter break, and it becoming this Monday, I'm literally gonna crash out for 4 hours thinking that I wanted to just stay home, wake up too late whenever I want, but no later than 9 o'clock, because otherwise morning's over and afternoon has started it. I'm being dead ass serious. I just want to stay my ass home after winter break is over, but unfortunately I had classes going on. So what am I gonna do after Sunday? I was thinking that this probably this coming week, I think January the 25th through January the 31st. I just want to plan something out what I want to do, because February the 5th is my main YouTube channel's national YouTube channel anniversary day. Although it's not a national holiday, but I just want to figure something out. What do I want to do? Again, I'm not vlogging until July the 1st, so tell me in the comments what do I want to do for that day to celebrate the 4th anniversary of my main YouTube channel. But we're like 2 weeks and then it's February. But I was thinking doing a pre-Valentine's makeup look. As you can see, I just did my nails early. I like doing it early just because I might be busy for the next few days doing my schoolwork and my studies, other business things like that. But I just want to test it out to see what do I want to wear, what looks like, and for the day of the Valentine's Day, what do I want to wear. And it's also been a long time since I haven't posted videos on my main YouTube channel, and not only that, but for my fashion and beauty channel, my makeup channel. But I just need to figure something out so I can keep posting videos like that and just get more views, more support, because the more the better. I did the eyebrows off camera because I'm in a hurry, but I'm gonna go with this palette. I haven't used it for several days now, but I want to go with this red color. It's like dark pink, so let's take this color. Again, I'm gonna test it out. I know it's too early for Valentine's, but I want to test it out just because I want to do a glamorous makeup look for winter, a pre-look for Valentine's. See which looks I want to wear on February the 14th, the day of Valentine's Day. I'm going to go with this palette. Use this bright pink colors like cotton candy and blush color. Come back for the final look because I just want to go over photos and videos that I don't need, because I might have to delete some files that I don't need. So just letting you guys know. So I'll be right back. Alright, the makeup's done. Have a good weekend. Bye.